Okay, we determine the operator matrix from a given set of basis vector. So here V is a vector space with basis vector V1, 1, 0 and V2 with 0, 1. So A is a linear operator such that it operates on V1 to give V2, and also it operates on V2 to give V1. So this is the given statement, and what is asked is the matrix representation of A. Okay, so A will be a square matrix with A11, A12, A21 and A22. So we have to determine all these 4 elements. So we can use this statement. So the matrix A11, A12 act on 1, 0 to give 0, 1. So by matrix multiplication, multiply A11, A12 with 1, 0 column matrix. So we will be getting A11 and the second row will be getting A21. So this will be equal to 0, 1. So the element A11 will be 0 and A21 will be 1. Similarly, use the second statement, A acting on B2 giving B1. So here A11, A12, A21, A22 matrix act on the basis vector 0, 1, that is V2, and it gives V1, 1, 0. So here again matrix multiplication, first row with first column element we get A12, the second row we get A22, multiplying A21, A22 with the column matrix we get 1, 0 in the right hand side. So the matrix element 1, A12 is 1 and A22 is 0. So we have all found out the 4 elements of a matrix operator 0, 1 and 1, 0. So the A matrix operator matrix will be 0, 1, 1, 0. So we can use the matrix multiplication. Another method is, so A matrix operating on V1 is going to give V2. So multiplying with Brav notation V1 both sides. So the right hand side terms become 0 and the left hand side we get A11 element. So this is the A11 element. So A11 element is 0. So multiplying the same equation by V2 both sides. Now we are having 1 because we all know Vi, Vj orthonormal condition is equal to del Ij. So if I and j are equal, it is equal to 1, and if I and j are not equal, it is equal to 0. So here we are having 1. So the element A21 is 1. Similarly, using the another equation. A V2 gives V1 multiplying by V1 on both sides. We get A11, sorry, 2. A12 element as 1. Similarly, we will be getting A22 element as 0. So these are the 4 elements of the matrix operator, and finally we will be getting 0, 1, 1, 0. So this is the way to determine the matrix representation of an operator using a basis vector.